Hello, guys. How are you? I hope you will be fine at home. That's children. Today, I'm going to explain you about prepositions. Preposition means before the position of a place, of a person, of a things. Okay? With noun or pronoun. Fine. Prepositions always comes before the noun and pronoun. Then let's start the preposition. Beta, it is a common topic is class for junior and for the primary level. Let's start the chapter in English grammar. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words. Now, in some other words, you can say in a sentence of adverb. Fine? I hope you have cleared the definition. I repeat again in Hindi also. बेटा अब प्रोनाउन प्रपोजिशंस क्या होती हैं? प्रपोजिशन इज अ वर्ड. ये एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो हमारे नाउन और प्रोनाउन दोनों के साथ रिलेशनशिप बनाता है. लाइक ऑन द टेबल. ओके, दैट्स विद हर. फाइन. एंड सम अदर वर्ड्स you can take within a minute, within a seconds. So then, in case of that, there is a relationship between a noun, a pronoun, and some other words like adverb in a sentence. Then, student, now let's start some examples. A preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Noun, as you know, naming words. Pronoun, all pronouns will be used instead of the noun. Fine. तो उससे before we will use a preposition. Now, a preposition indicate for three ways, like preposition of a place, preposition of time, preposition of direction. Okay? Then firstly, we will discuss about preposition of place, where someone or something is refers to the place. Fine? Then take examples of the place. Like Nikki is standing against a wall. Here you can see in the picture Nikki, a girl, is standing against a wall. Then you can see in the picture that prepositions refers to a wall. A wall is a noun. Fine. So then prepositions used before the noun, that is against, is a preposition. Fine. Next, in second ways, we can describe preposition of time. When an event happens or happened, that it refers to the time. Now we can take an example of the preposition of time, that Ricky swims on Saturday. Means Ricky swims on Saturday. Saturday means it refers for time. So then here will be what preposition will be done in this sentence? That is on. Fine. Because on refers to when an event happens. Fine. जैसे कि रिकी है तो सैटरडे में कब swing करता है? That is indicate the time. That is on Saturday. Now third one is preposition of direction. Direction in which someone or something comes or goes. Direction means coming or going with someone to any place. It indicates to the direction. Like we can take example, Nikki is throwing a ball at them. At them means it refers to the direction because Nikki is throwing a ball in which direction? At them. So that preposition is used here before the pronouns because them is pronoun. That's why at is preposition in the sentence because direction in which the ball is thrown, that is at. Fine. Next, some more examples we can take. The planets revolve around the sun. Preposition is around because its position is after the verb and before the noun. In this sentence, planets and sun are noun and before the sun, around is used here in the sentence. That's why around is a preposition. Many prepositions are used in different contexts. In different contexts, you can say in single sentence that two types of preposition can be used by the subject. Like, I met him on the terrace on time. So that here you can see in sentence two things are here. On the terrace, that is place. On time, that is indicate the time. Here on is preposition in this sentence. Now some prepositions have more than one word. More than one word means like in large compound sentences. You can say a compound words in indicate that more than one word. They are called compound prepositions. Suppose I hung the mirror in front of the door and the towel rolled next to it. In this sentence, you can see two prepositions are there because before that definition we have studied about some small words with the preposition, but now compound prepositions are more than one word, like in front of, second, next to. Here are two preposition, compound preposition. Preposition links words to indicate. कौन से लिंक को ये इंडिकेट करता है? दैट लिंक्स बाय मूवमेंट, लोकेशन, पोजीशन एंड डायरेक्शंस. फाइन. Preposition links words to indicate time. As you know, earlier I told in this video that preposition also indicate the time by the actual time in the figures. Now you can take an example like all students come to school by 7:30 a.m. So that in this sentence, particular time is given by the word that indicate the particular time and it shows time. Then here preposition is by. Now the preposition by works as agent. The preposition with work as an instrument. Instrument means if you can take by some appliances or instrument, you can say at home, in a school, at outside, that These instrument words are also connected with the preposition, like the vegetables were cut by my mother with a sharp knife. Here you can say a sharp knife. It is a instrument, fine, which can use in the kitchen. So then with is connected with the noun, that with and by are preposition. Now next is a preposition begins a group of words called a prepositional phrase. Now compound prepositions we also have discussed in this video. Now come on the prepositional phrase. What is? Have you seen crabs scoot behind a rock? Prepositional phrase means it also similar with the words preposition, like it also comes before the noun. Okay, so then behind a rock, that is not action done in this sentence. That's why we will use behind a rock. And in this sentence, now in this sentence, behind a preposition. Now you can see a different ways by recognize the picture. Okay, about the preposition. Where is the ball? In the box, on the table, under the table, and near the table. Fine. Now you can take more examples that we will use in the sentences, like in, on, under, near. Firstly, we have taken the example, the eggs are in the nest. Here you can see in preposition used before the noun. In case of that, the nest is noun. Fine. The ball is in the box. In is used with the same category before the before the noun. Then in this sentence, the box is noun. Next, you can take the apples are in the basket. Basket also is causes noun, that in is a preposition. The clock is on the wall, as on is here in the preposition. Now test yourself. I hope guys you will be done. Now you have done and you have enjoy a lot to fill in the blanks with the greater options. The ball is dash the box. The ball, बिकॉज ये जो बेटा बॉल है ये हमारी बॉक्स के अंदर रखी हुई है, तो दैट ऑलरेडी अंदर है, हमने अभी अभी बॉल को बॉक्स में नहीं रखा है. दैट इन केस ऑफ दैट जो चीज़ पहले से ही अंदर होती है दैट वी विल यूज़ इन, एंड दिस हैज़ टू fill in the sentence in the box. Now the ball use of on. The ball is dash the table. ये जो हमारी बॉल है ये टेबल के ठीक ऊपर रखी हुई है, that we will use on. That's why the sentence will be the ball is on the table. Now next the ball is dash the table. तो दो बॉल हमारी कहाँ है? टेबल के नीचे. That's why we will use under. Now the ball is dash the table. अब बॉल जो है बेटा वो टेबल के नीचे नहीं है, ऑन नहीं है, इन नहीं है. That's why we will use near. Near means पास में. That's why the sentence will be the ball is near the table. Now here are some words you have to learn again, revise again all the words. I will give you more than preposition in next video. Fine. Now a sentence we can see here. Toad is among the bushes. Among the bushes. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, जो थोड है वो बुशेस में के बीच में है. अब बुशेस की बेटा कोई काउंटिंग नहीं है, 1 है, 2 बुशेस है, 3rd है, कितना है. तो हेयर जब अनकाउंटेबल थिंग्स होती हैं और वो सेंटर पोजीशन को रेफर्स करती हैं, दैट वी विल यूज अमंग. Okay, here thud is a noun. Bush is also the other words refer to the noun. In case of that, there is a big relationship between among. Same as Balu is behind the tree. You can see in the picture Balu is behind the tree. In case of that, behind is a relationship between Balu and tree. Now Popo is between the trees, and you can say two things are here, and the relationship between two things, it is used by between. Jojo is on the tree. Balu is behind the tree. Here are some example for the little kids to understand by the preposition that is on, in, besides, with, between, below, across. Here you can see with the example as well as picture recognition and action doing in the words. Fine. Now a lot of example here. Now you can read it. I hope guys, preposition topic is very important topic. I hope you will be clear all the doubts. Practice again, learn again all the preposition. We will meet again with the next video. Thank you. Have a good day and like my videos and watch it. Fine. Thank you.